This LOS is compare cash flows from operating, investing, and financing activities and classify cash flow items as relating to one of those three categories given a description of the items. Components and format of the cash flow statement. All companies engage in operating, investing, and financing activities. These activities are the classifications used in the cash flow statement under both IFRS and US GAAP and are described as follows. Operating activities include the company's day-to-day activities that create revenues, such as selling inventory and providing services, and other activities not classified as investing or financing. So that's the tip. Often we do the investing and financing activities first. What's left over is operating. Cash inflows result from cash sales and from collection of accounts receivables. Investing activities include purchasing and selling long-term assets and other investments. For this purpose, investments in equity and debt securities exclude A, any securities considered cash equivalents, very short-term, highly liquid securities, and B, securities held for dealing or trading purposes, the purchase and sale of which are considered operating activities, even for companies where this is not a primary business activity. So you just have to be a little bit careful with the cash flows for investing with regards to cash equivalents and securities held for dealing or trading purposes. Cash inflows in the investing category include cash receipts from the sale of non-trading securities, property, plant, and equipment, intangibles, and other long-term assets. Cash outflows include cash payments for the purchase of these assets. And just a note that I made there, just be careful. Gains and losses from the sale of equipment are non-cash items. Financing activities include obtaining or repaying capital, such as equity and long-term debt. The two primary sources of capital are shareholders and creditors. Cash inflows in this category include cash receipts from issuing stock, common or preferred stock, or bonds, and cash receipts from borrowing. And that's the only slide for this LOS. Thank you.